Feeling a bit of weight on this one. No way! Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, guys and girls. Magnet fishing video again for you today. Old military dumping site. This is where I pulled out the French bayonet. So fingers crossed we can get something else cool. Feeling some weight. Oh, I might have come off. There was something there though, so I'll definitely be going back for it. Oh, looks like we've got something on. Piece of an old barrel. Bits of spring. Bracket for something. Some type of ring, and bits of scrap. Let's go again. Treat it. Bit of pole. Feeling a bit of weight on this one. No way!
What is that?
No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Look, look, look. How cool is that, man? I don't know what kind that is. Comment if you know what this is. This is from the same spot we just got the bayonet out of.
See the barrel? Awesome, man.
It could be a toy, you know.